pase for me. Welcome to Haiti Global, where Haiti meets the world. Here you'll get straightforward Haitian news, immigration updates, culture, and real resources you can use. And no fluff. To our day ones, merci and pile for riding with us. And if you're new, welcome. Hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notification. It helps us more for Haitians to see this. Please comment your flag and city below so we know where you're watching from, and share this with someone who needs it. Let's build together. Now let's jump into the topic today, guys. And I'm covering this topic because most recently Trump and his administration tried to block the TPS. Well, not block, actually try to dismiss the TPS for Venezuelans and Haitian again. I think this is like their third attempt. And I wanted to come on here quickly and talk about it. Also, good news that the judge did block it for now. So everyone on TPS is still good. So we know that the Biden parole is terminated. Unfortunately, no new cases, prior grants affected, and litigation is still ongoing for that. And as I just mentioned, TPS for Haiti is currently protected by the court, and the USCIS shows the employment authorizations is auto extended until February 3rd, 2026. Now, we're already in September, so that is not a lot of time. So I'm here with a few ways. So we don't need to panic. Even with the parole that ended and the TPS in the news, there are real legal paths that my immigrant Haitians can use right now to come or stay in the U.S. So please watch to the end. I'm dropping free and legit resources for our Haitian communities across the country. Now, I would like to stress that even though we talk about these topics, immigration rules are changing fast in 2025. We know that. We know what type of administration that we're dealing with. So the links that I'm going to provide are for the latest. And please remember, this video is not for legal advice. I know there's a lot of channels out there who are giving misinformation. I'm not saying our channel is perfect, but we do try to be actual and factual over here. So we want to reiterate, this is not legal advice. So with that being said, let's jump into different legal pathways that we can use as tools to stay and migrate to the U.S. For now, again, these are what's available for now. So path one is through your family, right? Family is power. If you're married to a U.S. citizen and you are an unmarried child under 21, or a parent of a U.S. citizen over 21, you're in the immediate relative category. No annual visa cap. Other relatives fall under the F1 to F4 with wait times. There's also the K1, which is the fiancé visa, and that's the route for those engaged to U.S. citizen. And then you have the HFRP, which is the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program. And this has existed historically. These processes were modernized in 2023 by the Biden administration, but some parole workflows were paused or reshaped, of course, during this administration. So if you previously got an invitation, follow the USCIS guidance. Otherwise, check the current HFRP page before acting. and I provided the links below. Path 2, work visas. Seasonal work can open doors. H2A, which is the agriculture visa, and the H2B, which is the non-agriculture visa. And Haiti is on the eligible list through November 7, 2025. We're in September, so we're still on that list. So this means that U.S. employers can petition Haitian workers for temporary jobs. These aren't green cards, but they're legitimate entries with work authorization. The employer must file first for you. And we have a high-skilled option too, which is the H-1B, the O-1, and the P visas. But they're very competitive and they're employer-driven. Now, in this political climate, I personally wouldn't go that route because of what's going on out there. But hey, to each their own. This is another path and it's another option. So we have path 3, study and exchange. So you have the F1 student and J1 exchange visas that are remaining options still for now. For now. Now, please note U.S. visa services in Haiti are suspended, so most Haitians have to apply in a third country where they're physically present and accepted by that embassy. So please do plan early. But then again, we know a lot of things are changing with that, so just stay current and up to date. This is what I'm giving you that are valid as of now, per the research that I did. So path 4 is humanitarian and protection. So if you fear harm in Haiti, which we know right now is a very, very, very volatile time in our country right now due to gangs and whatnot, Asylum may be the path for you. But there's a strict 1-year filing deadline after you enter the U.S. with narrow exceptions. Therefore, there are also U visas for crime and victims, T visas for trafficking survivors, and VAWA for certain abused spouses, children, parents of U.S. citizens or LPRs. And again, these things are also being looked at our by our current administration, and things are changing fast. But these are other options for you. There are also the SIJ for some minors. Now, please go talk to a qualified legal representative immediately for help regarding this pathway for humanitarian protection, because the timelines and the risks are real. Path 5 is employment-based green cards and investment. And this path is for skilled professionals, and it's the EB2 and EB3, sometimes with the PERM labor certification. Entrepreneurs with capital can look at EB5, which is a high threshold, and which also have job creation rules. These are complex but powerful pathways, and you also need to seek a good legal counsel for that. Path 6 is refugee settlement, but outside of the U.S. So if you're outside of the U.S., refugee settlement happens through USRAP with a referral, usually via UNHCR, a U.S. embassy under special priorities, or an approved sponsorship program. It's not really a quick fix, but it's real, and some people have used that path. Now, where can you get help? I'm sure you don't want to do it alone. We're going to give you some trusted Haitian organization and legal directories across the U.S. Miami, New York, Boston, and national hotlines are all linked below. So guys, these are 6 ways where you can have legal pathways to stay or migrate to the United States. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to question below in the comment box, and I will surely try to get back to you with a response as soon as possible. Please drop your city and your flag in the comments. Let me know where you're hearing us from. If you have questions about your case, try to type help and your state will pin legit resources. If you know a Haitian student or a worker who needs this, tag them in this video. And please remember, the things are changing fast because of this administration. Use the official links that I've given you, and this video is not legal advice. Thank you so much for hearing me out. I hope this information has been very helpful to you. If you know somebody that can use this information, please share this video. And please don't forget to go to our other channel, IFSI, where my husband will be breaking this down in Creole for everybody. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Ciao. Oh, don't forget to like this video. Bye. I'll see you soon.